Rainbow. On the 1st of May, we normally celebrate Tudor's Day gathering. So as you know, right now we are going through the pandemic, which is called coronavirus. So all are actually basically stuck in their respective houses. So I'm here to share the messages that's meant to be shared on the 1st of May during the program. So nevertheless, I will be explaining about the universe, Sakti Jodi Jnana Upadesam, and Sakti Jodi Tudor, the messenger. So basically, as you know, the universe was created from the explosion. The explosion came about between the merge of two supreme atoms called Sakti and Jodi. Sakti is the female entity and Jodi is the male entity. Together they are one. Sakti and Jodi is one, so they are male and female together. God is one, male and female together. So Sakti has 7 mandalam, 7 galaxies, and Jodi has 7 galaxies, 7 mandalam. Together they are 14 mandalam, 14 galaxies. So that is how powerful Paramatma or the Supreme Almighty is in the universe. So as you know, the creator of this universe have created the entire universe along with billions of galaxies in the universe, billions of stars in the universe, solar system which is in the galaxy. As you know, the solar system, there are billions of galaxies in the universe. So the galaxy that we are in is called the Milky Way galaxy. Inside the Milky Way galaxy is where the solar system is. Inside the solar system is where our planet Earth is. And inside planet Earth is where humans, all living things are in basically. So as you know, all living things were created by the Supreme Almighty. So that includes human, animals, insects, even grass, trees are all created by the Supreme Almighty, God, Paramatma. Okay, so basically this time the messenger has come directly from the Supreme Almighty, Paramatma, with 10 senses. So he's here now to spread Sakti Jodi Jnana Upadesam. So what is Sakti Jodi Jnana Upadesam? Sakti and Jodi, the Supreme Almighty is merged in the universe. Jnana Upadesam means wisdom, the teachings of wisdom. So this is Sakti Jodi's teachings of wisdom. So it is basically meditation. So right now, the Supreme Almighty wants all humans on planet Earth to do meditation because we are in the era of Kali Yuga. In English, it is called the era of darkness and ignorance. Just by praying, it is not enough. So the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to do meditation right after their prayers. Okay, so of course, the Supreme Almighty, being in the universe, will not be able to teach us. So hence, he has to teach via a messenger. That is how all messengers came. So the Supreme Almighty cannot communicate with human being directly. So he has to communicate through a human being. So that's why he has selected respective messengers along the way. So the first messenger that came was Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva was created by the Supreme Almighty. And he came, sat in Himalayas and did meditation, connected with cosmic energy, Paramatma, the Supreme Almighty. And then he taught his son, Muruga, also known as Kartikeyan, meditation, told him and in fact instructed him to teach people meditation, and that is exactly what Muruga or Kartikeyan did. He did teach everybody meditation during his time. And he also taught Agatya and also 18 Siddhas meditation. So the Upadesam started to spread everywhere through these people. So as you know, right now, after Lord Shiva came about, many other messengers also came. Tirumular came. Tirumular also came, but during his time, he wrote Tirumandiram. So in Tirumandiram, it was written Sarye Gire Yoham Jnana, meaning Sarye Gire means prayers, rituals, yoga means meditation, and Jnana means wisdom. Only upon doing meditation, one can attain wisdom. So this is what it means. But during that time, meditation was not very much practiced because it wasn't that necessary at that period of time. and then came Moses, then came Jesus, then came Nabi Muhammad, and they all came for a very, very good reason. They all came to help people. So that's why messengers were sent to planet Earth by God, the Supreme Almighty, to help people basically. So again, this time in this Kali Yuga, the era of darkness and ignorance, the Supreme Almighty or Paramatma knew and knows that many problems are going to take place. That's the reason why he has sent the last messenger, Sakti Jodi Tuda, also known as Nabi Isa, here now to help people once again. So how can he help people? The only way to help people is to inform people to sit and do meditation. So he is not here to give motivational talk. He is not here to sit and just expect people to come to him. He is not here to make money like any other spiritual people out there. He is here literally to teach people meditation for free. So he is a messenger. So messengers do not just sit and expect people to come to them. Messengers directly from Paramatma will never sit still. So they will literally walk to every place of worship, especially every other houses, anywhere and everywhere possible, to spread and teach the Upadesam to people in order for people to have a better life. So basically, why is the Upadesam here right now in this Kali Yuga is for people to come out of their sufferings, to lead a better life. So this is why he's here right now. So you might be wondering, why is the messenger right here right now at this point of time? So this is the reason why. Because God already knew that many problems are going to take place. So the problems that I'm mentioning here is not only health wise, it is in every way. So there will be many sicknesses, diseases with no cure, which was mentioned by the messenger. He has already mentioned this before, that sicknesses and diseases are going to come, and then there will be financial problem, there will be relationship problem, family problem, problems in every angle. So problems are going to come in every way and people are going to get stuck. So that's why before things becomes worse, he's running to every place, to every home, to every temple, to every place of worship to inform everybody to please sit and do meditation right after their prayers. So he's saying, if you're a Christian, go to the church and pray. If you're a Muslim, go to the mosque and pray. If you're a Hindu, go to the temple and pray. If you're a Buddhist, go to the Buddhist temple and pray. If you're a Japanese, Korean, whatever religion you are, do whatever prayers you have to do. But right after your prayers, just sit and do meditation for 21 minutes. Then you'll be able to have a better life. By doing meditation, basically what happens, when you meditate, you're able to take cosmic energy from the universe. So the cosmic energy comes from the Milky Way. As you know, in the galaxy is where the black hole is. Inside the galaxy is also where our solar system is. So basically, the cosmic energy is coming from the Milky Way, and the cosmic energy is coming from the Milky Way, and the Milky Way has many layers. Okay, so the first layer is Purlogam, second layer is Purvalogam, then it is Swargalogam, Mahalogam, Jananalogam, Tavalogam, Adavalogam, and finally Satyalogam. Satyalogam is where wisdom comes from. That is the final stage. So basically, by doing meditation, one is able to attain wisdom at the end of the day, and bliss. This is what every human wants. Extreme happiness. This is what everybody will crave for. So this is the ultimate aim. So this is what the messenger is here right now, to give people a chance for them to experience extreme happiness. So basically, this is why we are living in this world, for happiness. So the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to experience this. Everyone are able to do so. So he's just saying right now that everybody have to do meditation right after their prayers. So as you know, messengers are not like any spiritual people out there. So messengers will walk from one place to another with no money in his pocket. So Sakti Jodi Tuda has been in Malaysia for 11 years doing Tandavam, also known as cosmic dance, to finish the syllabus in Malaysia. So now he has already finished the syllabus in Malaysia. and currently he's in Auckland, New Zealand, doing the same thing, teaching people meditation in order for them to lead a better life. So like that, he'll be traveling everywhere around the world. So he has already finished the Upadesam, the syllabus in Malaysia. He's currently in New Zealand. Soon enough, he's going to finish the syllabus in New Zealand, and he will start moving from one country to another. So this is what God wants. God wants everybody, entire human being on planet Earth, to do meditation. That doesn't only include every human, ordinary human being. It also includes every spiritual people out there, every spiritual leaders out there. They have to do meditation as well. They have to embrace this Upadesam, Sakti Jyoti Jnana Upadesam, and teach people for free. So this is what Paramatma, the Supreme Almighty, wants people to do. So basically, every spiritual people out there are required to come forward to take this Upadesam, this syllabus, and teach everybody for free. And everybody else, all human beings on earth also are required to come forward to learn this Upadesam, these teachings, this meditation, practice it in their daily life, so that they will have a better life, and teach others for free as well. So this is what the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to know. And also the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to know that the messenger is here. He's not here for nothing. He's here with a very big task. So this time he has to walk from place to place to teach people meditation for free. And the difference between a messenger and a spiritual person is that a messenger is one who is connected with the universe, with the cosmic energy, the Supreme Almighty basically, and he teaches people meditation with the support of the Supreme Almighty. Okay, so this is something people must understand, that the messenger doesn't make any decision, doesn't do anything without the consent of, without the permission of the Supreme Almighty. Every action that he takes is with the permission of the Supreme Almighty. Without his instruction, the messenger can never do anything. So this is something people must understand. So this time the messenger is here directly from 14 Mandalam, 14 galaxies. The Supreme Almighty, Sakti and Jyoti merge in the universe to teach people meditation for free. So he's here not only with the backup of the 14 Mandalam, he's also here with the support of nature, Mother Nature. Okay, so God is saying that everybody must do meditation, otherwise there will be many problems coming ahead. So it will be very difficult to survive in this Kali Yuga with the upcoming problems. So meditation will definitely help you come out of your problems and handle your problems better. So this is what the God is saying through the messenger. So like what I've mentioned just now, the messenger here is at a Patrata Nilai. Patrata Nilai means zero. So he doesn't have any money with him. He walks from temple to temple, every place of worship, teaching people meditation for free. So he doesn't have an ashram. He doesn't have an ashramam. So as you know, his ashramam is the universe. Okay, because he's a messenger of Paramatma, the Supreme Almighty, which has been sent by the Supreme Almighty. So of course, he's not able to have any ashramam. So he is a walking temple basically. He walks from place to place to teach people meditation. So this is something people must understand. So the messenger Sakti Jyoti Tuda has come this time with the final and complete syllabus. This is the finale, as you would say it. It's the finale right now. This is the last syllabus. Everybody have to come forward to take this syllabus if they want to live a better life. So this is what Paramatma is saying. If you want to have a better life, you have to sit and do meditation. By doing meditation, many things will take place in your life. Okay, as you know, there are many reasons why one should do meditation right now. One of the very prominent reason is because our sun is already affected. There's changes with our sun, and our ozone layer is already torn. So but as you know, humans breathe, the air that humans breathe comes from the sun, but since the sun is already affected, humans have to now sit and do meditation to take directly from the universe in order to balance the negative air that is coming from the sun. So this is what the Supreme Almighty is saying. And that is one of the reasons. Another reason is because as humans, we all have star deficiency. So in order to correct the star deficiency is why we need to sit and do meditation. So also, as you know, that our body has glands. Gonad gland, adrenal gland, pancreas gland, thymus gland, thyroid gland, pineal gland, and pituitary gland. So all the glands are actually in our body, but it is not enough. It is not sufficient. Hence, we need to do meditation and take directly from the universe in order to balance the incomplete glands in our body. So that's the reason why we need to sit and do meditation. So yeah, so basically by doing meditation, we are also able to balance the 5 elements in our body. So we must sit and do meditation right now. So this is very important for every human being. So also another thing I would like to share is that meditation can be done by anybody. Basically, Paramatma, the Supreme Almighty, his ultimate aim is to make every parent the messenger. So the messenger, Sakti Joy Tudor, is here right now, not only for him to become the messenger, but to make everybody else messengers. Mainly every parents of every household. So when every parents are messengers, they are able to teach their children, and when their children grow up, their children are able to teach their children. So every generation are able to do meditation. So this is what the Supreme Almighty wants. Every parents to be able to teach people meditation. So basically, when you come for class, we are teaching classes in Malaysia and also in New Zealand. So when you come for class, basically we will open all the chakras, 1 chakra per week. Once you have already finished opening all the chakras, we will teach you how to teach others meditation. So yeah, we also give you the Sakti in your finger, your index finger, your right hand, in your right hand. So you are able to open chakras for others as well. So this is what the Supreme Almighty wants. He wants everybody to be able to open chakras for everyone else. So eventually the entire world will be able to do meditation. All will be able to open for everybody. So basically all are the same. This is what the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to know, is that nobody is more superior than the other. So the Supreme Almighty is here to inform that all are able to do this job. All are able to teach people meditation. All are able to do meditation. So this is what he's trying to say. So all have equal rights. So all are the same. All are able to attain the cosmic energy from the universe to have a better life. So this is basically what the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to know. So by doing so, we are able to come out of many problems that's about to take place in the very near future. So that's what I'd like to share for now. So I just would like everybody to know that on the 1st of May, on the Tudors Day gathering, all Tudors should understand that Tudors means messenger. So when you're able to open chakra for another, you're called a Tudor. So basically everybody will be a Tudor one day. Everybody will be messengers one day. So everybody are able to become messengers. So all Tudors must understand that all are able to teach meditation. So there's nobody is more superior than the other. All are the same. At the end of the day, we are just dust on the ground compared to God, who is there, 14 Mandalam. Sakti and Jyoti merge in the universe. So we are nothing compared to God. We just dust. So we are just instrument of God. We are only here. We are only able to do meditation and to teach others meditation. This is the only thing that we are here. That every Tudors are required to do. So to inform and to teach others meditation as well. As a Tudor, our function, our job is to teach others meditation. This is what the Supreme Almighty wants everybody to know. So so that the world will become a better place, and will have a peaceful, so that people will have a peaceful life on planet Earth. So thank you, Parent.